Okay everybody, this is my 1990 Dodge Dakota and I'm solving a blower motor problem. So first of all, what I did is I checked the fuse box. The fuse was getting voltage, not very much amperage, but voltage. I also tore the whole dash apart and I removed the blower motor. The blower motor plug was getting voltage and amperage. Okay, it was getting about 5 amps. It was getting voltage, amperage, so I assumed it was the blower motor that was actually out in this 1990 Dodge Dakota, and so I replaced the blower motor. That did not solve the problem. At this point, I was a little, kind of worried that I'd ever be able to find the problem. I also changed the blower motor resistor, and the blower motor resistor is over here. This can sometimes go out, this blower motor resistor, and it's very cheap. It's about $7 at O'Reilly's. So it's like that's an easy cheap fix. So it'd be a good idea to try that. Okay, so I changed the blower motor resistor. I changed the blower motor out. I was getting voltage and amperage at the plug for the blower motor. And at this point I was really scratching my head because I had no idea what was going on. And so after trying a number of things and just keep on rechecking everything, I figured out that this wire, you can barely see it, it's all wrapped up in tape, but it's this wire right here that comes out from here. I attached a new connector to it, but this wire here had a bad connection right there. Okay, so this wire is going to come out here and connect to like a connector running to 2 wires. So at this point, neither my heater blower motor nor my power windows were working. So it was actually this wire here. Okay, had a bad connection, and because of that, it was getting amperage and voltage to the plug, but not enough. So hopefully this video will save you a little bit of time. I've modified it a little bit, but basically it's this wire which comes out of this plug right next to the washer fluid rake, thingamajigger, and it comes out here. I actually attached a black wire to reconnect the whole thing, but this wire will come along here and run into 2 wires, one of which is green. There's a very large green and orange wire, and it's going to run into those 2 wires. So hopefully this video will save you a lot of time. I spent about 6 or 7 hours working on this, and this was just the problem. So hopefully this will help you. This wire that runs into here is a very small diameter wire, so be very careful when you're repairing it, that you don't break it off. Make sure that you use sandpaper to get the corrosion off the wire, because there will be corrosion. So I've already fixed this once, okay, and I thought it was working, but there was a little bit of corrosion on the wires. What you want to be able to do is be able to see copper wire without any corrosion on it. So copper colored wire. So take sandpaper, make sure you use that sandpaper to kind of file down and grind down until you get actual copper wire, and make sure you don't have corrosion. But this is a problem which has occurred in my Dodge Dakota. It might occur in yours. So I'm putting it on YouTube. All right, bye.